Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Mac the Trader, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be breaking down my trade from January 16th. It was this past Monday. I'm going to go over all the confluences from top to bottom and show you guys exactly how I apply my course information live on the charts. There was actually a London session trade that went through as well. However, on this past Monday, I did not trade London session. Instead, I traded New York AM session. So we're going to go through this from top to bottom. I'm going to give you guys all the analysis, all of the confluences on the higher time frame, all the confluences on the lower time frame, and just overall show you guys how I apply my course information to the index market. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Before we get started, I wanted to shout out to Matthew. Matthew said, "Hey Mac, I purchased your course yesterday and I'm about halfway through. I haven't taken any trades yet because of the specific laid out instructions that you had for us to follow, but man, oh man, I was setting NASDAQ 100 and I found a move using your strategy that would have given me 8%. Absolutely crazy. I need to finish to pass my funded challenge." Congratulations to you, Matthew. It's absolutely crazy that you were able to watch the course and then see the information actually take place live on the charts. He says, "I just wanted to say thank you. I love the course and I'm so excited you decided to drop it. Talk soon with updates. Bye for now." Matthew, I would love to hear from you. Please keep me updated with your progress with passing that funded account challenge using the course information. Now, let's go ahead and get back into the charts and let's break it down. All right, so starting on the M15 time frame, okay, I was essentially looking for a buy-side sweep of liquidity first in order for me to possibly look for sells. The reason why I was looking for sells is because if we go to the 60-minute time frame, we can see that we have some type of confluence within this area right here. So what is that confluence that we see? So before the market pushed to the downside here, we actually see that we have a bullish order block here. Okay, we actually have a break of a swing high and we have imbalance here. All right, instead of price respecting this area, all right, we just see that price pushes to the downside, rolls completely over with decent momentum, taking out this bullish order block here, right? So in my head, I was looking for price to possibly trade back into this region and then give me some type of reaction. We're not looking for the end all be all drop to take place here, but we're just looking for some type of reaction, right? So that's what took me to the M15. By the way, guys, if you did not know, the Telegram community is back open for any and all traders. All you have to do is click the link in the description, take you to my Telegram bot, and then you just have to do /start in order to join in on the trading community, right? If you want to know what's all included and what's all entailed, all you have to do is /start once you click on that link, and it's going to tell you everything that you guys can be expecting on a daily basis and on a weekly basis from myself and my team. So on the M15 time frame, we can see that between our hours of trading, which is 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and 12 a.m. or 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the AM session, we can see that we have buy-side liquidity here. That buy-side liquidity was swept to the upside, all right? And because of that, I simply went down to the lower time frame to see a possible reaction here. So let's go ahead and do that. So on the lower time frame, I took my entry on the M2 time frame. All right, the reason why I took my entry on the M2 time frame is because it gives me a little bit more information than the M5, not as much as the M1, but it's all good, right? I usually don't take my entries on the M1 because I want that information that I'm seeing to be a little bit more solidified. So the M2 and the M5 time frame is perfect for how I like to trade. Now, those of you guys who have access to my course, I give you guys 3 different entry methods to apply on your entry time frames. All right, so this entry method here that you guys see pretty much very often is my favorite entry method. I'm going to go over all the confluences of this entry method, but be sure, if you have access to the course, be sure to utilize and backtest the other entry methods as well, because they are very valid, okay, and they take place quite often. So here we can see that we have a buy-side sweep of liquidity with this run to the upside here, right? Then price starts to break to the downside. I'm essentially just looking for a shift in momentum mixed with an imbalance and a possible order block, all right? But I don't necessarily need to see all of those confluences. So here I see that we have a shift in momentum once price takes out this swing low, All right. After price takes out that swing low, we do have imbalance that formed here as well. Price traded back into that imbalance. Let's actually fix this up. My entry was here. There we go. So price traded back into that imbalance. This was the entry. Our stop was above this swing high for the manipulated range. And then we just looked for price to target our M15 sell side liquidity, which was here. All right, with this swing low right here. All right, so let's go ahead and turn this on the M15 time frame so you guys can see this a little bit more in depth. And there you have it. Right, so this trade produces about 3.56% return on investment. Very, very straightforward. You could have actually targeted sell side liquidity resting here for about 5.68%, or you could have targeted this area right here. I'm not going to say why this was an important region on the chart, but this is very similar to the 8% move that Matthew was talking about within this testimonial here. All right, this was the 8% move that could have taken place on the US 500 market. As you guys know, US 500 and NASDAQ definitely mimic each other for sure. All right. However, I took my profit right here within this area for about 3.56%. Now, a lot of people ask me, why don't I always go for the end all be all when it comes to trading? And that is because that every single day there is going to be some type of opportunity using the strategy that's taught within the index trading course, right? That strategy is going to show itself within the AM session or the PM session. The only thing you have to do is mark your confluences and wait for it to take place, right? Now, of course, on the days where we have high impact news, we may decide to stay out of the market and we may decide not to trade the trades that are available. However, when the market is running smoothly, when we don't have high impact news, when we don't have any bank holidays or anything like that, you guys should be able to take at least a 2-hour trade every single morning that you come to your charts, or every single afternoon that you come to your charts, depending on where you're at in the world. Right? This is the type of consistent trades that I expect you guys to catch. And those of you all who have access to the index trading course, I expect you guys to be catching these types of moves every single day, right? And continue to stay up to date with the YouTube channel as we go through these index trades, right? If you guys do have any questions, put it down below. Also, click the link in the description in order to head to the website to gain access to my institutional trading courses, as well as my index trading course. If you are part of the mentorship program, keep in mind that you do gain access to the index trading course, as well as you gain access to one-on-one sessions, live trading, and a lot more. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Much love and peace out.